At Innovative Dental Aesthetics, we like to stay ahead of technology by incorporating what makes sense. Right now, we're using technology such as a digital scanner, and the digital scanner is a least invasive way to kind of capture the information we need. And in some cases, we can avoid making the putty impressions that everyone hates. So it's really a nice conservative option to capture the impression without using the putty impressions. Also, I'm using innovative software that can highlight what your smile would look like without ever having to touch your teeth. And so the software simulates what a smile recreation would look like. And it's a great way to kind of get a sense of what you're investing in, because that's one of the challenging parts about dentistry, right? I mean, you're making this big investment in time and resources, not really sure what it's going to look like. You're just it's kind of a hope and a prayer sometimes, but really connecting with your professional and trusting their guidance. And the software gives us a better idea as to kind of what the endpoint is going to look like.